When one can say that you say and never be crossword, people are dying emotionally. Now the names must have problem when you number, and I'm a nobody home come. When one can say that you say the pa,
Kasapa 102.5 FM.
Marriage is one of the most important things in human's life. At the same time, if you don't get your compatible partner, it is like a curse. But when you was successful, your original life partner, it's like a curse. So many people are dying young because of marriage. Others are growing older because of marriage. Pressure in marriage. A conditional marriage. It is killing a lot of people. Because of marriage. So don't worry unconditional. It's like you are in a lorry. Never in your life marry a man under condition or a woman under condition. Everything that is under condition is not an original love. I pray with you and for you that may
Kasapa 102.5 FM.
I never told me personal tears and said, "Our dear, and you by force." Nan from fear when you pro home koware. Nini. You will carry your things on your head in your car. So many people are worrying under condition. When you are running at here, and the name by Sadia but down within your heart, you know, say you don't love her. Conditional marriage. I am getting married to you because I have a pregnancy with you. Sister, so what would you be Musa? It is no me. Because you say Bampina Chimun one penny was sorry. On Pesa sorry no man was here to and your mom fetching your one here. But down within his heart, there was nothing called love. So there are so many people in your house living like slaves in their own house. Now me worry about you sir because me not for force me not for you now worry where about me worry is but down within your house sister you know that you don't have any love for that man, and that is why a lot of people are sleeping behind their wives and husbands because there was nothing called original love. Never marry a man under condition. Never marry a woman under condition. You will carry a curse. Adia bin mawuram. Nadi sirabram de bin sugurame de no mena bram because you would under condition. So many people in the church. I worry one life partner. I want one thing there because there was a pregnancy and they never wanted anybody to know. Don't worry. And that is why marriages are breaking down every year, here and there. Every day, marriages are going down because a lot of marriages came out of condition. Mama worry no meaning sir. That should be obeying ya maybe a conditional law. Maybe our free body meaning sir. That should be a
Kasapa 102.5 FM.
A conditional law. It is 1 year, but don't want to woman. Because you need us to say, a brand new year. Why a software was a software specialist. The Yadana, one that you are not so much in us or your members. Hey, conditional love. Mima Messia you are getting married to that woman because of what your mother said. It's good that you listen to some of the advices A very good Uber warrior. Mawuma me, but the Mawuma men for Obama. Choose and go and give to your mother. Say, Obama person me wadi the mushishu mame. Menema mi asuma si mame. Abo brache ye namfo frim kwada brem tim person me ba ware oba. A conditional. Titimram anani adi anonko adi mama. Enene. If you are basing on your relationship with another person, now the Obama, sister, mommy, what do you know about home? Is it what he wants or is it what she wants in life? Conditional. And then we have to forward here even far better than a Christian forward here, because who we are showing about everything in that church is all on condition. And it's not worrying on. You are getting married to that lady because of how she sings, not because you truly love her. So 1 year, 2 years, the marriage will begin to go down. Because who will about to fry? What bad sorry no matter what you to tell with no attention and diversity. Anything in marriage that is based on condition dies early. It wouldn't happen. It wouldn't happen. People are dying. People are dying emotionally in marriages. Sometimes the things that we hear is unthinkable. A lot of people are living with their own enemies in the name of we got married under condition. And you are big crowd to be the no man. I never had any love for you, but because of the pregnancy, I accepted you and your conditional love. Because marriage is not an inheritance. Praise God. Never push yourself on a man. And never by force to get married. People are dying. Something that God made for men to enjoy, it has become bitterness in a lot of people's heart in the name of marriage. Never marry anybody under condition. You will die early.
Kasapa 102.5 FM.
Because of what he has, you will die early. Let your heart speak to you about the person you want to marry. Conditional love kills people early. Or that a gina be shot, a kumni pantem. The way you are will never be the same in 10 years time. So either it is because of who you are, the things that you have, the gina so the water in 5 years time it will change. Conditional love. So what you big mistake. Marriage is a different ball game altogether. But when two of you come and stay in the same room, under the same house, your friend is saying, roof. And what happens a marriage is not something that we call easy. It's when you will be a you will die early. A lot of accidents. I see what Ghana hanging out. Don't want to feel pressure. Before driver the 50, now they are in a yellow. So they have to train and they drive it. Conditional marriage. So if you are a man and crofafre, I can manipulate what will come. It will surprise you in the name of marriage. When you are being communicated, marriage is not a race. Take your time. Sabobra swan. Now we need the obedient. And yet you walk. And Nantia woman Baba Brabunina. And the answer sister who of which in an announcement. It is because of what you have. A bad man or don't know has no basis why he loves you. Or bow or don't will be able to so. Or who now who might see him when I Kenyan saying, indeed, this is the man I have to marry to. But and near my young what by your research, a Christian forward year good papa. Because even in the church, they are for some to form of worry. or something we can tell the soft case was a warrior without we know about. Near Sunny, a warrior more. Attitude in marriage is the most important thing. If you don't have an attitude, a positive attitude, you will kill yourself in marriage. Go and see how pastors are pushing men and women for other men to marry. Conditional love. Me warrior, the entire suffer me bring ya wadia ya basa. The beginning of our ministry, Mwaka Krabia would be a short able winti. Officer
Kasapa 102.5 FM.
The ministry because by the time you realize, Obano won't so was coming. I've heard you are sorry, yes, who bring you sick for we are far better times 10 than the woman you were married to. Because you married her with her money, you begin to have problem with your wife. Conditional marriage. Let me advise you. It is better for you to stay single than to marry a man under condition. I did not question heaven. If I die today, I die as an individual. My children are separating themselves from me the day I will lay in bed. Nobody will be buried with me. Nobody will be buried. Don't rush into marriage. You will die early. Marriage is God's own plan. Or the Bema Papa. Never let anybody force you into marriage. And never force yourself on a woman or a man that you know you cannot love. Condition in marriages can kill you. Better. But the nipa, I'm gonna be the most difficult thing in the world. And so they have been married for almost about 55 years. But the Christians married with so many counselors in the world. Ghana, their counselors, they push women in answer reverend, but marriages keeps going down. What is the problem? And yeah, now over thousands of counselors in Ghana, yet the church marriages are dying. Because we push people to get married. Wrong advice. But the Munyaman Kura, they said, "Say woman who come and did you when you can, he will never give you a bad thing. Never marry anybody because of what he has or she has, because it may finish one day. Let your heart speak to you about the woman or a man you want to marry." When him said the few of them, people are dying. A lot of people are dying emotionally. They are going down every blessed day. Ministries and because of marriage. Why is something that God has made so beautiful and wonderful now there is so much problem with people? Because we always want to get married to somebody because of what he or she has. Conditional marriage. Never push yourself into anybody's life. Never let anybody take you for granted. We call something sympathy marriage. Sympathy marriage. Sympathy marriage. So many people, you was school, you know, but you know that you don't love her. The lady. The way I'm in that channel, you have about 5 years. Sympathy marriage, and you're more than to die early. You know you don't love the lady, so why are you sympathizing with her? And you be any assassin will show we are your papa, your becca, your bonnie, becca. It is better you save yourself from problems than to have sympathy to marry a man, sympathy to marry a woman. God bless Ghana. Mommy, about that big crime. Now, one more day, they can choose your life partner. One day, you know, but didn't come up. Now, I said, at the end of me, you know, you're the best thing. But when now, life partner, who come back to here, it is a Bama was shut at the fita. Now, when you have them, when I'm who say you have a problem, allow God to choose your life partner for you, and you will be eternally happy. Never push yourself on any man. That man is one power, sister, don't rise. Let him go. Oba is one power, let her go. Oba will be in a new catch us a bram and pow. Let her go. Bram and pow. Sister and pow. No matter how many or how much you have spent in that relationship, your life is more important than what you have spent. Let him go. Let her go. And God will give you what your heart has been yearning for. Everywhere counselors, but Christian marriages are dying. Grace and mercy. Mercy must locate the church of God. Everybody in Israel. Everybody in Israel.